and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we will once again just start the BinBotPro and make some money. So let's go to BinBotPro. Yesterday video we made like 1,200 from a trade. So let's see what we do today. Like always we will choose the bot number 8. But before we do that, if you want to run BinBot2 also, you can do so. The link is below the video. The minimum deposit is $250. Also, you find a promo code. If you use my link, you can use the promo code below, and you get 200% on your first deposit. Now let's see. Let's choose strong number 8 and push run. Then let's follow and see. Now we are just waiting for a trade. This bot is based on support and resistance, so now it will look through every pair to find a trade that is either top on a resistance zone or in the bottom on a support zone. Each trade will use 10% of your balance. So now let's see, we are just waiting. That's the beauty when you use a bot like this, that there, we got a trade. So we are taking Australian dollar against American dollar. Now let's see. And we are a put. That means we need the price to go down. So then it's just a waiting game. We need to wait till 7 minutes. 7 minutes waiting time for this trade to be done. And if this trade is done, we need to take 2 more trades. The reason for that is that, as you can see here now, on a winning trade we get 68%. That means if we get a loser, we need 2 to cover the loss plus turn profit. But let's wait and see first. Since I started now, my balance started with 10,000, so I have made like $11,000 in for a little less than 1 month. So now we are in the money. We will, with this trade, we will make around more or less 1,100. That's a quite good profit in just 7 minutes work. So like I said, while we are waiting for this trade, below the video you will find link so you can get started also. And you get a promo code also below the video. So you get, if you deposit, let's say $1,000, you will get $2,000 into the bot. You can choose the bot that you prefer. I prefer number 8. The only reason for that is because I see this number 8 is trading the same way I'm trading. Maybe some of the other bots can be much better, but I like to use one that I know trade the same way I would have traded, because then I can understand the trade. Otherwise, if I choose one of the others here, I check and I see like, why did it take this trade? So that's why I like the number 8, because I can always say like, that's the reason. So we can push stop, by the way, because we will only take 1 trade if it's a winner. We are now out of the money, but if we lose, we just start it again. So which time I think was 40, so more 5 minutes to wait. You can also, you can see up here, you can set up your own bot. You put in everything that you believe that will be a good combination for a bot, and the system will then trade after whatever you say it will. You can also put the pairs you want. If it's, for example, a gold, you can choose only to take long trades, for example, because, for example, in Forex, I never do a short on gold. I rather wait for a gold to get a buy setups, because it's hard for me to trade against the trend, because basically gold have the last, since forever almost, have an uptrend. So be trading against the trend is never a good idea. So gold and silver, basically, I only do a long on them. And I think the same works with the binary also. If you're trading over many minutes, it's better to go with the trend. Now let's see if we are in the money. We are deep in the money. So it's more or less 3 minutes left, and we make some more money. In this we'll make more or less 1,100, because basically you see here, if you look here now, there says 1,571. That's what you're betting, and the payout is what you're receiving. So you need to take this number, take the biggest number you see there, this 2,600, minus this number, and then that's your profit from the trade, basically. So that's basically the way you're calculating. So we are receiving around 1,100 if it's a winner. So that's also the reason I am not withdrawing anything yet, because I want to have a big number here, so I can do just one trade a day and I can just relax, because it's making, for me, it's a good salary to receive around 1,100. And in the case if I need to take 3 trades, okay, I get a little less, but still will be a good amount of money for me to receive. So that's why I even are going to try to get this up to maybe around 30,000-40,000. Then I'll start to withdraw. Now we have 1 minute again left, and right now we are out of the money. So let's see. Maybe we need to run the bot for more 2 trades. Let's see. That will make the video a little more interesting, so you can see how things works. Let's see. And if you have any questions in the side here, you can always ask them some questions. They are very friendly. Now the trade should be, we lost it. Okay, then let's start the bot again. Then we need 2 more trades. So then this video will be a little longer. Then we need 2 more trades to we will recover the loss, and we will turn a small profit. Small profit will equal around maybe $400-ish. Everything depends on the pairs that will be chosen. Like for example, if we get this 85% and we get maybe another one that is around 85, then we get a much bigger profit. But we will not have $1,000 profit now. But yes, we have a call on GBP USD. Okay, let's see that one. So you see there's a 60 have a call. So then it's just a waiting game. Now this trade is done. 47, so in around 6 minutes this trade is done. But we will need to let the bot run by the way, because we basically need, like I said, we need 2 trades. Because now you can say it like this: we lost 100%, right? Then this 60% will recover 60, we are still missing 40. So then if the next trade is also a 60%, we are turning around 20% profit. So 20% of the total balance will be the profit. So basically if it's 260, we should be around $350 profit. Hopefully the next trade will be 85% trades, we get a little more, but let's see. Like I said, I have been running this bot now for 1 month, and this was the balance when I started. The reason this balance don't change is that I need to log in and out for this balance to change. I don't know the reason for that, but for me, I don't bother so much about it. I actually like that it's not changing, because then it's easier for me to recover a loss like it is now, because I have a few rules when I'm trading. If I lose 3 times in a row, I stop for the day. If I don't trade under any news, and like you see, I was planning to stop if I got a winner. When I get my profit for the day, I stop. So in this case, with 2 winners now, I stop for the day. Then I'm happy with the $300-400 or whatever I receive. So let's see now. We are deep in the money, so this will be a winner. The trade is done, we can say it's done 48. So it's still quite long time left for this trade. More 4 minutes, we can say. So that means basically if you get a trade right away, we have like 11 minutes left, maybe 12 minutes left of this video. So if you want to fast forward to then, you can do so, but it's good to see how things are working. So when you decide to use this bot, you don't have any surprises. It's basically, this is the way it works, and you can just yeah. So now we are just waiting. Also, if you are a new user to my channel, make sure you push this subscribe button you see over the corner there. My channel is all about ways to make money. That's why I make a robot videos like this. I do manual trading with binary options. I do once in a while make forex videos, forex trading, how to trade forex, and also I do some cryptocurrency. I have not done so much cryptocurrency lately because basically I have bought some hard drives and things because I did Chia mining. So I just take a little break now because the price of Chia is so low and hard drives are so expensive, especially here in Brazil. So for me, it's not worth it to buy more hard drives right now for mining. But if you're into these type of things and you live in the United States, you can still make some quite good money with Chia mining. So check my videos about that also if you have interest about if you want to acquire some cryptocurrency. It's a good way to do so. Also, I have robots trading. Everything I earn in cryptocurrency I put directly to Binance, and I have some robots trading cryptocurrency there for me to acquire some more Bitcoin, basically, because it's, in the end I want to have as much Bitcoin as possible. So I'm prepared for the next bull run. I'm not thinking about the bull run we are in right now. I'm thinking about the next one, because we will go down to a bear market again. And in the next bear market, I will try to acquire as much Bitcoin as possible. Because the next bull market, I believe we will see maybe Bitcoin around $250,000. It's smart to get some Bitcoin, but right now it's not the time to buy. I just acquire as much as I can. I put it into USDT and I trade Bitcoin, but back to dollar again when I get like a few percent profit. Go back to dollar again, so I can keep my dollar for now. And when the day come when Bitcoin start to come like around 20,000 down there somewhere, we don't know yet how far down we will go in the next bear market. I hope we'll go very low so I can acquire as much Bitcoin as possible. But that's for another type of videos. So now we should be done with this trade pretty soon. We are deep in the money, so this is not even a question, it's just waiting for the next trade basically. So we can just follow, so you can see that we are going to get this as a winner. We are just waiting till now. It's a matter of seconds till this trade is done. There, as you can see, we did receive a profit. And the good thing now, as I did not reload this one, this is basically the start balance, so we can quite easily calculate our profit after, so we can see how much money we made from as we did have a one loser and we have now one winner. And there are no trades yet, but now you can see our balance is 15,000. The reason for that is, like I said, we had a 60% trade, so that's why we need one more to recover the loss, and we will turn a small profit, of course, as long as if it's a winner. So let's see. If for some reason we lose this trade now, I will pause the video, because then the video will be too long, because then we need like 3 to recover. So then I will pause, let it run, show the trades for you after. But as long as this is a winner, then we can be done for today. Otherwise I will pause the video and then show the end result after. But let's wait and see. Now we are just waiting for a trade to be done again. I will push a stop right away we get a trade, as normal, because we basically just need one more winner and we are done. Like I said, now we are just, it's a waiting game for the bot to find a trade again. Now let's see. Let's push stop. Did you get a trade? No. Let's go to 8 and run. Now let's see if we get a trade. Like I said, now it's just a waiting game to get the next trade, and then will be a 7 minutes trade again. Let's see how it goes. And the good thing is that it's good you see that this trade is not done right away. This means the robot is looking for the perfect trade for you. There we got a trade. That was euro against dollar. Let's take a look. Let's move me up. Euro against dollar. Okay, it's a little better. It's 76. That means if this is a winner, we will receive a little more money. So we are for the price to go up. Okay, looks to be a very good trade, by the way. So now it's a waiting game. This trade is done 59. So 7 minutes again. So then we can take a little information again. Below the video you will find a promo code. This promo code you can use as you're using my link. You will receive 200% on your first deposit. That means that if you deposit, let's say $1,000, you will receive $2,000 to trade with. So like I have said before, this robot I have been running now for 1 month. As you can see up here, my current balance is this. Was before I started this video. We will calculate after our profit. The thing is, this bot have made me almost $11,000 in 1 month just by pushing this run button up there. That's it. No other magic behind it. Of course I have my rules and things. You need to do that also. I have explained that before. Don't take trades. If you take 3 losers in a row, stop for the day. Don't trade in any news time. And like you see I do, when you turn profit, stop for the day. That's it. No other things. It's not a robot you can just push the run button, let run, because sometimes the market can be trending and then you will lose money. If the market is trending crazy, like if you take a look, for example, on GBP, GPY, it's trending like crazy like this for many days now. A market like this is very difficult to trade. You can't trade it. You can trade with the trend. So for example, if you set up your own bot, you can put it in the settings that you only buy, for example. That's a possibility. But that means you need to set up your own bot, because these bots over here, they will buy and sell, but they might sell against the trend. So pay attention to that, of course. And what you can do is that you can turn off, for example, the ones you don't want to trade. But I personally have not done anything here because I want it to be as genuine as possible for you. So when you are running the bot, you can receive the same results I'm getting. So I have not changed anything special about this. I do it so it's the most genuine, and it's working. Now let's see how the trade is going. We are in the money still, so that's good. So we have more or less 4 minutes left to wait. Like I said, it's a little waiting game, but it's also to be waiting to receive good profit. That's not something that it's bad for me. Of course, this time the profit will not be $1,000-ish. I could have done one more trade, but I'm not getting greedy. Like you see, when I receive my profit, I stop for the day. We will calculate after how much money we're making from this 21-minute trading, because basically each trade is 7 minutes. So we can say like 21 minute-ish. Of course, a little waiting in between each trade also. So, but still, it's quite good income from the time of trading. Of course, this depends on how much balance you have. More you put, more potential profit you can receive, of course. So this is something you need to decide for yourself. Now we have more 3 minutes left of trading. We are still in the money. So like I said, this is a quite good system. I don't know another robot for binary that works as good as this one do. Like when I was at the beach for a few days ago, I had my burst at the beach. Then I just, for a burst gift for myself, I did run this spot, and I made a few $100s. Plus I did some manual trading also, and I do my forex trading also, so, and cryptocurrency trading. So for me it's very good to have multiply type of income, but this for sure is something that is maybe the coolest, because you receive so much money in so short time. I think that's the thing I think most people like with binary, is that it's if you do things correctly and you have some type of money management, is a way that possibility to receive a lot of money in short time is there. Of course, also is a possibility to lose a lot of money in a short time also. So keep that in mind. That's why I'm telling all the time, money management is key of making money. So when you get, like I said, 3 losers, stop for the day. Yes, it's hurting when if you lose 3 times in a row, but trust me, you with money management, you are able to get your money back. But if you don't have money management, then money will go away very fast also. So keep that in mind. That's key with, especially with binary option, because it can be scary if you don't do things correctly. Now let's see if we are in the money. Looks like we might need to put the break button and wait for the bot to recover, because looks like we might get a loser here now. That means we might need three winners to recover. Yeah, 3 winners. Yeah, so that means I will push a break on this video, let the bot run by itself, and then we can see after how things did turn out. So then just bear with me. I will put a break now, and I will make the end of this video after. And welcome to Alpha One. Yes, yesterday I was making, this is continuation by the way from the video. Yesterday I was making the video. I got 2 losers in a row. I decided just to stop for the day. I restarted the bot this morning, and now I have turned profit. So typically I let it go 3 losers, but the video yesterday turned a little too long. I don't like to make videos so much longer than 20-ish minutes. This video will be longer, but also showed a little more the reality. So all in all, the trading they take from start to finish, running time of the bot was little less than 1 hour. So the starting balance before we started was 15,718. So if we take the 16,474, we basically made $756 for 1 hour work. That's a reasonable salary for 1 hour work. Of course, typically we like to see it win the first time and done, but the reality, sometimes you need to work a little longer for it. So I'm pretty happy, by the way, with the turn profit. So with that, we can also see on the broker, you can see is the matching number there. So with that, have a perfect day. Hope you have a beautiful weekend, and if you want to run this bot, you find the link below the video. Have a perfect day.